I'm Ivan Leekens. I'm a product manager for Sitecore. I have been in the MarTech space for a very long time. I got in pretty early after leaving college. So even though I've been working for Sitecore for the past 6 years, I've been working with Sitecore for almost 15 years now. Founded all the way back in Denmark over 2 decades ago. They've been developing these category-defining products for nearly 2 decades, and they kind of helped shape the DXP space as it exists today. Our mission really is to have all of our customers be able to deliver the most powerful, outstanding experiences to their customers, and basically do so with a positive effect on the world. We kind of grew very much at a certain point in time where we did a bunch of acquisitions to grow from a single product company to a full product portfolio company. And when we did that, there was also the start of the composable era, I would say. So the analysts were really heavily playing on this idea that you should build a tech stack out of the best of breed products. And when you have multiple products, obviously integration becomes a key component to that story. We at Sitecore very early on noticed that, and we did some attempts at creating some of this ourselves. But eventually we stepped out into the market and sought for a partnership. And that's how we came with Workato. We selected Workato embedded platform as our iPaaS system, and we white labeled it. So when that happened, that's now 2 years ago, I was very lucky to be right there at the start and be given the opportunity to build this product all the way from scratch. So my engineering team in the KL and my architects from the US, they really embraced Workato. They quickly built a shell around the full embedded experience of Workato, and we named it Sitecore Connect. We then very swiftly created connectors for each of our products in the product portfolio, enabling basically anyone very easily to have that drag and drop, low code, no code experience of building their integrations. And all of that happened in just the time span of like 4 months. Sitecore Connect has been very successful actually. It's a rapid growing product, and our customers really love it for the speed at which it enables them to create these integrations. And that's what I've seen also on the sales calls that I've been part of. Like, if we can get this product out in front of customers, it's crazy how fast we can answer their questions. We've even had instances where during a call we've actually built the actual integration that the customer needed. And there's nothing as powerful as immediately seeing the impact of your use case being resolved right there and then. That pulls customers over the line every single time. And beyond that, we've really seen the analysts actually pick up on this, because in the Magic Quadrant DXP, it's highlighted as one of the key strengths of Sitecore, the capability of connecting to thousands of apps using a low-code, no-code approach, which is our Sitecore Connect capability, i.e. Workato embedded. One of the most leading things that we've seen our customers solve is integrations with our CDP. It makes a lot of sense. If you have a data platform, then it's in the name, really. You want data to go in there, and you want data to go out of there to enable any other kind of processes. So we've seen there a lot of integration with the likes of like CRM systems, as well as advertising systems like Facebook marketing and Google Ads. On the DAM side, we've also seen that pick up. Customers have that need of enabling their assets to be used where they're needed while keeping them centralized as well. Because if you're working with any type of external agencies or any other use cases of that kind, it's often that assets are being generated in different locations, then you want them stored, and vice versa. So that's also where the capability comes in really handy to move things between the DAM system and these other systems that Workato can connect to. More recently, we've also enabled one of our products, which is basically a forms capability. We've had forms capabilities for a very long time, but the recent edition of it, we took the approach of ensuring that we have as less issues with data residency and that type of compliance issues. So we've made it so that you can bring that data very easily into Sitecore Connect and then route it to wherever you need it to be. And we know that clients then don't have that concern with data residency, for example, because they choose where it is routed and from where it goes and where it's stored and all of those things. And we have a zero retention policy in place on Connect. And we also offer that the same capability as Workato brings us to even have like no data stored at all. And the security of it is taking care of a lot of those headaches, actually. What we've done with Sitecore Connect is really, we want to enable people to use as much of the power of the platform that Workato offers. So we really don't block that much from the customers, from our customers. It's not like it's a entirely hidden thing. We take care of the security around it. We take care of the setup and the provisioning of it into your desired region, and then we basically like have customers create whatever recipes they want within obviously the boundaries of their license and contract. We've enabled our customers to really choose what region they want to deploy in. So we not only have the US regions, but we have the Western Europe region as well as Australia and Singapore. So we really have that global rollout capability with Workato, which matches perfectly with our own global rollout strategy, because we are active in exactly the same regions as you guys are. So that has been an amazing match right there.